We are here at the end zone in Chantilly for the Eyes Up, Phones Down Community of Trust event for students. The purpose of this event is really to raise awareness around the topic of distracted driving. Many of our students are either already driving or they will be driving soon. And so we want to just make sure that they have all the information that they need to continue to make very safe decisions.
As a part of Community of Trust Committee, one of our objectives is to find programs that have been successful in other parts of Virginia and bring them into Fairfax County. Last year, Loudoun County had the program, and we said, yes, this would be very important to bring into Fairfax County.
We always talk about One Fairfax. This is a great opportunity to talk about One Fairfax again because it's a collaborative effort between Fairfax County Public Schools, all of the first responder organizations in Fairfax County, including our police department, our sheriff department, our fire and rescue, as well as Inova Health System, the Red Cross, and thrilled to see the media here as well.
This is an opportunity for the kids to just learn the importance of paying attention, that it's not that important to have a phone in their hand when they're driving.
We set up, as you can see, the cone course, the cones represent things like people, small children, animals, things like that. And the students will ride with a trooper or a State Farm agent. They'll go through the course using our drunk goggles or texting, or some of them like to try to text and drive. And then they'll proceed through the course, and if they hit anything, that simulates them, possibly hitting a person.
The course was really hard. It's the drunk goggles that you wear. It's really hard to see and focus on certain parts, so you kind of just have your eyes drifting around everywhere. They do a lot of hard stuff with you, like they roll balls in your way to see how you react to it. You got to pay attention to all the signs they have up. The turns are really sharp for the golf cart, so it's hard not to hit into the cones.
The leading cause of death for this age group is car accidents, and impaired and driving distracted is a big part of that. So we just use these tools to convey that message to them.